welcome to the Clough Chronicles. Thanks for tuning in to another vlog. So I've started the weekend vlog a bit earlier again because it's Tuesday now, but it is bonfire night today. So we're going to go to, well, we're not going to a planned event with tickets. We're going to go and park up in the car to a point that we found so we can see the fireworks from the local display. The point we found is quite high up, and we're just hoping that not everyone has got the same idea and we'll be able to get a space up there. So we're just getting the kids ready now. We're going to all get in the car and go and park up there. We're also going to get the kids a McDonald's on the way just so that they've got some food and it's a little treat for them. So yeah, so with it being Tuesday as well, it's been Teddy's day off nursery today, so he's been with me and Roman, and we did go to a park and I did vlog a little bit of it whilst we were there. I did what I could because I was on my own with them both, so I'll upload that after this so you can see it, and then I'll show you all the bonfire night stuff. Hopefully I'll be able to capture some fireworks on camera, but I just don't know what visibility will be like, but we'll take you along with us and see what we can do. So I'll catch up with you soon. So does anybody else who enjoys bonfire night and goes out or anything like black peas? It's something that my mum does every year, and then this year I've done mine as well. So they look absolutely disgusting but I love them. Like, they taste really well, they taste good. They taste a bit like mushy peas, but look at them, they do look gross. But you have them with loads of vinegar on. I've already salted them when I've cooked them, and there's loads of vinegar on, but I'm well aware that they do look disgusting. But trust me when I say they are like a big thing for bonfire night. I don't know if it's just a northern thing or not. I'm not sure if it's something you do in other areas of the country, but black peas, me and Phil are having them tonight. And then for the kids, we've got these, which our friends brought up for us this week. So they've got toffee apples and chocolate apples for after the Mackies, so they're having a right treat tonight. I'm not sure they'll sleep tonight when they've had these, but we'll see. Right, we're in the car. We've just been to McDonald's and the kids have got their food. It's a bit dark in the back, obviously, but Isla's in the middle. Ted's there next to the window, Roman's in his little seat, and then Freya, I don't know if you'll be able to hear her panting, but she's on the floor. We've brought her with us because we don't want her to be left at home.
With the fireworks?
Yeah, with the fireworks, it's too noisy for her. And Phil's driving. I'm a passenger princess for once today. It's normally Phil. So yeah, the reason why we've not gone to a planned event is because we can't get around with the pram. It's too muddy, you know, with the bonfire, so we thought we'll just stay in the car where we park up. If the kids want to get out and have a look, then we can. So we're hoping, like I say, that there's going to be a bit of room for us to park up. I've no idea how busy it'll be, so we'll see when we get there and we'll check in with you then. We've reached the point where we wanted to park up and it's an absolute nightmare. It's so foggy up here, you can't see anything, literally nothing, and it's really busy. Like, we've had to drive to another bit on the road to park up, and we can't see. But anyway, you're saying hello?
Hello.
So we've parked up, Phil's eating his peas. Yeah.
Mommy!
What?
Where are we going?
We're just going to have a drive round in a minute.
Should I do a taste test on this apple?
Yeah?
Mum, you said, why are we not going to the bonfire night? Mommy, why are we not going to the bonfire?
We're going to go and see if we can see one. Isla, will you put Roman's dummy in? And the dog is panting like mad. She's not happy either, so it's a bit of a disaster.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
home now after our disastrous trip out in the car. We did see some fireworks on the way up in the car, which I did film and show. So at least we saw some, and they were really good ones as well. But we were just disappointed when we got up there. But it was like, to describe it was like American Werewolf in London. It was like moorland, foggy, really difficult driving conditions. And then when we did park up, we couldn't see a thing when loads of other cars were doing the same. So anyway, we're home now. I'm going to do some sparklers in the back garden.
Have I got any gloves?
Yes. So we've just come out to the park, and we quite like this park because there's a big loop of walkway that we can do, and the trees are all gorgeous colours. It's really nice, and on the path it's good for the pram, and Ted can go on his little balance bike. He's there having fun. Don't go too fast. And then Roman's fast asleep, so I'm going to get my steps in, try and keep up with Teddy, and yeah, get some exercise. Roman's awake now. Yeah, you talking to Mummy? Yeah, what are you saying? Yeah, are you happy? Are you a happy boy? Are you showing me all your gummies? Are you showing me your gummies? Yeah. Hello. So that was just a really quick video of the park to show you what me and Teddy get up to on our days together. Sometimes we like to go for a little bike ride. I'll push the pram and then we'll play on the playground for a bit, and it just gets him out, burning some energy off, because he loves playing constantly. So it's good exercise for me as well. So yes, we've done that, and I just wanted to bob on and show you a wreath that I picked up from Gordon Rigg Garden Centre. I've got it with me here, and I think it looks quite plain and boring, to be honest, but when it was lit up on the display, it was so lovely. It was full of like lights. It's for outdoor, obviously, for the door, and it was full of lights and it just looked really pretty. I did film it, so if I can put a little snippet in of it, depending on my editing skills, I'll do it now. So you can see it. So what I thought I would do though is, because it looks a bit plain in the daytime, I was thinking I might try and pimp it up myself, like adding some little decorative bits to it. I'm not quite sure what theme I want to go with, because I think with it being outside I could do anything really, because it doesn't have to match inside. I don't think personally anyway. So me and Isla are going to go to B&M Bargains, and I'll bring you with us and we'll see what we can find for this. So I'm not going to decorate it obviously today, it won't be on this vlog, but I'll show you the bits I do buy for it, and then when I do add them to it at a later vlog, you can see the end result. Hello! I've just picked Isla up from school.
Detention?
Well, from detention. She got a detention, and what was it for, Isla?
Not doing enough working out in the sparks.
So not showing enough working out in her maths homework. She got a detention for that, but she said she enjoyed it, which to me is crazy. But it's because they get to do the homework in the, is it in the library?
Yeah.
So all the homework's done. So I've just picked her up now, and we're going to go to B&M Bargains straight from here, and we want to get a few little bits that I need for everyday stuff, but I also want to get some Christmas decorations to go with the wreath that I just showed you. So we're going to go and have a look, aren't we, Isla?
Yeah, I want to get some highlighters and whiteboard pens for school.
For school, yeah, you need some stationery, don't you? Right, so we'll see you when we get there. So I'm just in B&M now, and I just saw these. I thought, oh, these look nice. Peanuts and raspberry bites in a jar, but look at the price, £6 for 300 grams. It's like, I'm not paying that. I've come to the Christmas aisle, and they've got all sorts of stuff, and they have got a wreath up here, so I'm trying to get a bit of inspiration. I'm thinking I do want like a big bow at the top. I do quite like them colours on that one actually, it does look good. So I'm not sure whether to go with like the pinky theme. I do like pink. But I'll be honest with you, I don't think there's as many decks as I thought there were going to be in here really. There's a couple of little things that stand out to me, which I was thinking I could put on, but I'm not like thinking there's as many as I thought. So I might get a couple of bits in here, and like I say, I might have to go to some other shops at some point and add to it as well. Oh, that's cute, the post box like that. But yeah, I'll just do a little recording of some of the other stuff to show you. So they have got in here some of the matching pyjama sets. £6 for the kids ones and £9 for the adult ones, which isn't bad. We've got a few different designs as well. A few different ones. And then they do have things for like Christmas Eve, you know, like little cups and straws in here. Some of them are really nice actually. I always quite like the gift wrapping here and the bags. I just find them really reasonably priced compared to some of like the more expensive ones. And they always have some lovely designs. Red and white candy cane stripe ones. Gift boxes there. They're quite handy so you don't have to wrap as many things. Oh, they've got money wallets as well there. Gift tags. And lots of ribbon. Quite a lot of ribbon designs. 3 for £5. And all your bows and everything if you like putting them on. And then they've got some bottle holders with initials on. They're quite nice gifts as well. Some Christmas activity kits, some colouring books and activity books, and they've got the letter to Santa pack, which I've just got one for Teddy, so we'll get one of them written out for him. Paper chains. So if there's any Wednesday fans out there, they've got Wednesday Addams gifts in here. Cups. Desk tidy hand. That's a bit creepy. A nice cosmetic bag. Yeah, quite good. Look at these hot water bottles. Lots of different animals and dogs. Look at that one, I can tell that's a Frenchie looking at that. And of course you've got all your chocolates in here. Again, reasonably priced for most of the chocolates, I think. And advent calendars if you need one of them. Got quite a few in here. Got a Haribo, Chupa Chups as well. So I've just spotted these, and these are sweet tubs where it's like little sections. I've seen people like taking them on holiday and stuff, and it's a £5. It's not bad really. So I might get the kids some. So we're back from B&M's and we just wanted to show you what we bought. So for the wreath, I just decided on 2 things.
You go first.
These little baubles.
They're really cute.
Again, the more pinky rose gold colour, and I think that's the colour obviously I'm going to go with now. And these little like leaf things, which are long because they're to go in your Christmas tree, but I'm going to cut them shorter and I'll glue them on with a glue gun. So I'm going to get that, I'm going to use them and then for the wreath, but I'm going to have to get some other little bits as well to add onto it from somewhere else, because again I wasn't that impressed with the range really, there wasn't loads, so that'll be another trick to get some other bits.
Can you tell what a favourite colour is? Really hard dress like that.
Yeah. Then I got some Winter Angel laundry cleanser, and that smells again like Snow Fairy from Lush.
Obsessed with Snow Fairy. Can you guess what a favourite
Thought
smell
I'd
is?
try that, £1.99.
Guess what a favourite smell is that time?
Yes, okay Isla, we get it. Vanish Oxy Action, need that for me stains for all the baby clothes and all that, so I've got some of that.
Freya.
Some Viscounts.
Beach Room Freya.
They're my fave, they're lovely. I got some of them.
I used to have them all the time.
Letter to Santa for Teddy, so we can get that written. Mitchum deodorant, needed a new one of them. Some Galaxy Ripples, which I've already opened, but that's just Hank Marvin.
I've done the same.
I got some grated mozzarella, big bag of it, to go on our pita pizzas for tea tonight. And last but not least, I got the penny mix boxes that I did show you whilst I was in there.
Oh my god.
So they'll be good for when we eventually go travelling. So that was my stuff. Isla, do you want to quickly show what you got?
Yep. So I've seen this on TikTok and it's like star sign cup and it says Aries.
Okay.
That looks really nice. And then for school I got these Tipex things, different colours because I might run out.
Yep.
And then I got these pastel highlighters again for school. It's
Very
like
nice.
some whiteboard pens for school.
Yeah. You did need quite a few bits for school, didn't you? What else have you got for school here?
Oh yeah. Oh, I got these folders to put my books in so like they don't rip or like.
They're like plastic wallets,
Yeah.
aren't they? Like popper wallets, it
In
says.
case like my water leaks.
In your bag.
Yeah, the like in
Keep
there.
the books secure. Yeah.
And then I got this shaping spray. I think it's made to like a spray painting. Like.
Oh, so it's sweets.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Wow, what did you think it was?
Yeah, no, I'm just for the camera. I'm telling them it's sweets.
And then, oh, I haven't had these in ages. These like little milk things, like where you put it in. So nice. These love them. Slush puppy thing, but you need to freeze it for a bit, and it's like a slushy.
And it's blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry.
Mhm.
And then I got these pens for school because I love animal print, and a few people in school have actually got these.
Okay.
Hair gel for when I like slick my hair back.
Okay.
Fruitella blackcurrant flavour, and you like just
Add it
squeeze
to
in,
water.
like water or like lemonade.
Okay. So it's a bit like cordial in a little tub.
And then, obviously, like Mum, Hank Marvin, I opened these. It's like them Kinder things.
Oh yeah.
And it's got hazelnut inside it. I love them.
They look quite nice then.
So, and I also did get that sweet box as well.
Yeah, you got a sweet box as well, didn't you? So I got Teddy and Isla one each. So that's our quick haul. We didn't want to go into too much detail with everything. Hope you enjoyed coming with us, and we'll catch up with you in a bit.
Bye.
Bye. Hello. So I thought I'd come on and end the vlog. It's Saturday now. So we've done a weekly vlog rather than weekend because Phil's working all weekend, so we're not getting up to too much. We're just seeing family mainly, just catching up with them, doing some housework and stuff. So I'm just here with Roman now, if you can hear him in the background. Yeah, are you chatting? My mum's been up to pick Isla and Teddy up and take them shopping with her and stuff, and then I'm heading to hers now to meet her there. And we're just, like I say, seeing family, so we're going to do that. I really hope you enjoyed this week's vlog, seeing what we're getting up to. I'm really enjoying doing them. So if you've got any feedback for me, anything you'd like to see, please let me know. And I would really like you to subscribe and like this video. It really helps our channel, so thank you so much if you have. And we'll check in with you next week. I'm not sure what we're getting up to. Who knows? But I'm sure you'll find out soon. So I'm going to just show Freya in a minute because she is coming with me to my mum's, and when I tell her where we're going she gets all giddy. So I just thought I'd film it and let you see what she does. So yeah, we'll see you soon. Freya, we're going to go to Nana's. You coming to Nana's? Are you coming? You want to go to Nana's? Come on then.